Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
Yan, nice. Nice, ha?
Wow.
Yan. Una ng maraming litrato. Una ng Smile. Alright. Now, the next. We have the fourth.
Idol!
We have Rodrigo, Jerome, Trix. Fourth child. Mas matangkad na si Mami. 16 years old, 4th year high school sa Lasal Year. He's a pep squad member. He's a member of Knights of Columbus. Prayerful, and he's also an academic scholar. Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you is a 16-year-old whose schedule is busier than regular adults. Sabi siyang busy, ang dami niyang nakakabalaan. That is Drix. Rodrigo Jerome Drix. Abound. And now, we have the third, Rafael Leon Raff. Yan. He's a food lover. He loves to cook. Abangan niyo naman ang kanyang international cuisine. Baka magka-restaurant siya soon.
Ayan pala yan, oh.
Tapos, may reliable source din na nagsabi na he's an excellent advice giver pagdating sa love life. Hindi ko alam kung sino nagsabi, anonymous daw. Basta, if you need advice, love life, approach Raph. That's Raph for you. Guys, may naghihintay na? Tama? Tayo ka. Future Raph, thank you. The second child, Richard Carlo Char, 26 years old, from San Beda. He is an overachiever daw. Ang dami niya na-achieve at such a young age. Tapos, may nagsabi rin, he is a replica, a Xerox copy of his dad. Sa itsura, sa ugali, kompleto. Photocopy na photocopy. Is it that one? That is Richard Carlo. Yan, kapanganay. Kapanganay yan. This is Ronald Anthony Byrne. Ang nickname ay Byrne. Yan ang kanyang street name. Dahil sikat yan. I'm sure you've seen him in commercials, print, media. Yan. Pansinin ang mukha. Nakita nila yan. Hindi. Sikat yan, sikat.